Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Pomeroy, Ohio. We got another car we're getting ready to put on the lot. Wanted to share it with you. This is a 2014 Acura ILX leather interior, black leather. It's got a sunroof on it, 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine. This is a nice ride. So we'll go ahead and do a quick walk around, show you the outside of it. Then we'll go on the inside. Nice white collar of the car. The tread looks to be in good condition here. So walk around here. Now the car does have a backup camera, and you can see the camera lens right there. So there's your ILX. So let's go ahead, we'll take a look inside the trunk. Okay, we've got the trunk open. Got plenty of space back here, and not only do you have space, but it's very clean looking. So we'll continue to do this on the driver's side. I want to get up here and show you the sunroof from the outside. So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. You got your black leather interior. Armrest does fold up to cup holders. And show you the headliner. Now you do have retractable shade, so you can close it on your sunroof when you want to. Okay, here's a view up front. We'll go ahead and hop in here in just a moment. I wanted to show you your door panels. One solid color black, your window and lock controls right here. You do have power seats. And let's go ahead and hop on inside. Tell you what, guys, these seats are just hugging my body pretty nice. I don't even know if I want to get out, to be honest with you. But here you do have a LCD display center. We'll get into the more details here in just a moment. Wanted to show you the shade, manual shade. Will actually close. I'm so glad it's nice out today. Nice blue skies, clouds up here to really show this to you. This is nice. So let's go on here and I'll show you the gauges, and you can see the mileage on this as of right now, 79,223 miles. So we'll go ahead and back off, and you can see you've got controls for it. It does have Bluetooth connectivity to connect with your smartphone here on the left side, along with your volume audio controls. And then on the right you do have your cruise control, and it does have a push button start stop right here. And we get up here, I'm going to drop it down in reverse, and you'll see the rear view camera engage on it. And there is your display for your heating and cooling. It does have dual climate control, and a nice feature down here. Let me get the gear shift out of the way. You do have heated seats on both seats. 2 cup holders, armrest. It does open up, and you do have some outlets here for your electronic devices. And we can get a good view of the back seat from here. But that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our 2014 Acura ILX 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. We've got this price what we feel is very nicely affordable. Sunroof in it, leather, leather interior. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. If you'd like to take it for a drive, come on up. And we got a lot of different financing options available. We can do it with low money down, no money down. We've got a lot of different lenders that's willing to loan money. So with that, I hope that you have a great day. Bye for now.